In this short video, I'll guide you on how to contact Temu customer service for help and resolve your issues swiftly. Many users struggle to navigate Temu support options, leading to unnecessary delays and frustration. But with the right approach, you can access the assistance you need in just a few clicks without wondering how to contact Temu customer service. Imagine resolving your account, order, or refund issues in minutes, like many satisfied users who no longer stress over shopping hiccups. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including accessing customer support for online platforms like Temu. Stay with me until the end to discover multiple effective ways to contact Temu's customer service and ensure your queries are addressed promptly. Now, let's get started with contacting Temu. To start, open the Temu app on your device and log into your account. Tap on the U or profile icon at the bottom and scroll down to find the customer support option. Here, you'll find a range of articles addressing frequently asked questions, covering topics like order issues, refunds, and account preferences. If your query is more specific and the FAQs don't help, scroll down and select Contact Us. From there, you can opt for the live chat feature to get immediate assistance from a representative. Another option is to visit Temu's official website. To start, log into your account and scroll to the bottom of the page to access the support center or FAQs. Select your issue, whether it's account-related, payment concerns, or product inquiries, and explore the provided solutions. If necessary, click Contact Us to initiate a chat or access additional support options. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with more ways to contact Temu customer service. You can also reach out to Temu through email by contacting their support team at help@temu.com, which is ideal if you need to include attachments like screenshots. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, then call the Temu customer service number free as provided on the same page or request a callback for personalized support. Lastly, for those who use social media, Temu is active on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Send them a direct message, and they'll respond to your queries. To explore more Temu video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.